Here's the thing, there's so many guys who they want immediate results, but they're not willing to put in the work. They're not willing to actually stick to doing something for about 100 days and see how that transforms them and turns them into someone better. Because the thing is that doing semen retention, doing anything difficult like this, not maybe just semen retention, if you're training your body, if you're building a business, if you are learning a new skill, if you are doing something that's transforming you, you have to learn how to do it long term. If you do it short term, yes, you might get an immediate result, but then you will also forget it very easily. It also won't stick with you very, very well. It also won't stay with you for the rest of your life. And you want to create an everlasting effect with whatever it is that you're doing, which is why I always recommend do semen retention for at least 100 days so that you at least get to experience the energy surge that you get from holding in your seed. Because the more you release it, the more your life is you're just gonna feel exhausted all the time because you just keep releasing it all the time. And then you keep having to replenish it, which takes up a lot more energy than you might think. And that replenishment, it sometimes takes days. Depending on how old you are, it takes days. And if you're someone who can't really control their sexual energy and learn how to discipline themselves from not releasing for whatever reason, if you don't learn how to maintain your sexual energy, then you're going to just give it out into all areas of your life. And that comes in the form of, spending your time around friends who don't really value you. That does take up sexual energy, which leads to you feeling prideful, which leads to you feeling good about yourself, which leads to you feeling like you can do a lot more. You can also then say, like, if you are wasting your energy, it could be like spending time around a boss who doesn't really value your skills and therefore is not really giving you the right tasks that you feel like you can take on. And therefore you feel stagnated in your growth, and you also then feel undervalued. And then you learn how to settle. And then spending time in this settled life, you just end up depressed and you feel like, why am I so upset? It's because you're not taking life by the balls. You're not taking life by the horns and just going with it. That's what doing semen retention is. I actually think like all of this, practice about like brahmacharya, which is like trying to reach enlightenment by doing semen retention, or doing semen retention if you're about to go into doing a workout or a fight. Like all of this stuff is just like, it's not fake, but it's just, it's just a method to not waste your energy. That's what we're trying to do. We're just trying to not waste your energy so that the energy that you get, this surge of energy that you get, you can transmute this into other areas of your life. Like if you had energy to go out and socialize, well, the more you go out and socialize with new people and the more you realize it's not what you think it is, and you might not enjoy yourself as much as you think you do, well, you have to keep going and keep doing it up until the point where you just say like, it doesn't matter whether I'm feeling good about it or not, I'm going to do it. It doesn't matter whether I'm not like getting a huge dopamine spike from doing this. I'm going to do it anyway. And then the same thing goes for if you want to build a business. Like you're going to reach obstacles in a business. Like anything, you're going to get moments where you're like, I don't know if I can do this anymore. I don't know if I'm going to be able to continue on this path. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do what's necessary or what it takes. Because all these obstacles are making me doubt myself. They're making me feel insecure. Then you just have to keep going. You just have to keep going. Discipline is what you learn fundamentally from doing semen retention. Discipline of not just like being able to like push through a difficult situation, like because that is one, you literally learn how to do it. But also you learn how to discipline that little voice in your head that says to you like, stop, like you don't need to wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. You don't need to get in the ice bath. You don't need to do the workout. You don't need to push yourself too hard. You don't have to. Like that little voice is designed to keep you in your comfort zone. It quite literally is you keeping yourself in a non-transformative state. Because here's the thing, when you are transforming, you are changing yourself, and therefore the person that you are now is metaphorically dying. You are metaphorically destroying, obliterating your old self in order to make way for the new self. And during that process, the old self starts screaming to you saying, no, stop, like you're killing me. Stop. What are you doing? Blah, blah, blah. And that comes in the form of pain. Like pain, not necessarily like physical pain, but in discomfort. That can come in the form of resistance or friction, whatever you find difficult or challenging in your life. It comes in the form of pain. And that process literally just goes into you destroying the old self and developing the new self. And pain is focus. Like if you think about when you're in the gym and you're lifting weights and you're feeling that burn in your muscles, like, and you're hitting that last rep. For anyone who's gone to the gym before and knows this reference, and you're hitting that last rep and you're really, really feeling it. Like there's nothing else you focus on than the pain in your chest or whatever muscle you're getting worked in that moment. And so it's very, very important to understand that literally pain is focus. Whatever pain you're focusing on in your head, whatever pain point you have is going to be your immediate focus. So whenever you are experiencing, let's say like you are doing semen retention and you need to release, you feel like you need to release, that you can't stop yourself. You're like, oh, this feels so unhealthy to hold it in. I need to release. That creates friction, that creates pain. And then all you can think about is releasing. But actually, what are you actually focusing on here? Like, why do you need to release so badly? It's because you lack purpose. And fundamentally, the reason why most guys always touch themselves, always resort to watching certain PORN sites, they resort to just masturbating all day and releasing their seed when they should be using that energy to go out into the world and do something with their lives. The reason why they do it is because they lack purpose. Like fundamentally, all the guys I ever speak to about doing semen retention, the reason why they can't really control themselves is because they have no purpose higher than pleasuring themselves. They have no purpose higher, so they learn to distract themselves from the bigger thing that they know they need to be doing. Because think about it, like, would you rather choose pleasure or pain? Like, think about it. If pain is pure focus, what is pleasure? It's distraction. So if pain is pure focus, if pain, whatever we're focusing on, that is quite literally pain, or if we have pain, that is what we are focusing on, then pleasure is distraction. Pleasure is literally distraction, because pleasure is the nice thing that we get to do. Pleasure is the path of least resistance. Like if you asked a guy, any guy, like, would you like to have sex all day, every day for the rest of your life until you die? I'm pretty sure every guy would say absolutely yes. And the reason why is because that is the best feeling ever. It's great. It's so fun. It's nice. Why would you not choose that life? You know, why would you choose a life of working hard and trying to be fit all the time and trying to, you know, look good? Like, what are you doing that for anyway? To get laid, to build a family, to get successful. Like, that's why sexual energy is a man's most potent energy, because it transmutes into everything else he's going to do in his life. And fundamentally, he wants to look good, be rich, be successful, have a house so that he can literally provide for a family. And that gives him more purpose. But if he makes his purpose about just his family and his life, that's still just fundamentally satiating his ego. A man literally has to look beyond life. He has to look at something bigger than life, which for most guys listening to this, that is God. Like a guy has to look into, how can I worship God the most? And that should be the target. How can I create a bigger purpose that transcends everything in this world? Everything. I'm going to look for something higher, way, way, way higher. And I'm going to focus on that. And when you have that, all the other pleasures that you can feel in this world, they sort of just like, they become secondary. They still feel nice, but they become secondary. And then it gives you purpose. So anytime you want to go back to that purpose, you realize, oh, okay, if I'm going to stick to this purpose of like looking at the bigger thing, then all these little distractions don't mean anything. All these tiny little distractions, they don't mean anything. I'm going to put them to the side and I'm going to focus on my direction. And look, you can literally put that purpose into anything you want to do. Like you can put that purpose into building a business. You can also put that purpose into starting a family. You can also put that purpose into building something great. You can also put that purpose into learning a new skill. Anything, like whatever it is that you want to do in your immediate focus, like you can do it. It's just that while you're focusing on that, it becomes really, really hard to want to touch yourself or release your seed, which is why it's so important that you have that skill and you have that purpose so strongly embedded in your life that you don't distract yourself. You don't distract yourself, because that is pretty much one of the reasons why, I mean, not one of the reasons, one of the biggest reasons why guys don't actually achieve what they want is because they're so heavily distracted in their lives and they are so focused on just like pleasure. They're so focused on distraction. They're so focused on the easy route, the path of least resistance. And when you choose the path of least resistance, then you don't really obtain anything of value. You don't really obtain anything great. It's a long process. It's a long, slow process. And I always recommend guys to do 100 days of semen retention so that they can see that surge of energy elongated throughout 3 months. 3 months and 10 days. That's 100 days. If you can feel that energy surge, you can feel that aura jump in the way you speak, the depth of your voice, the clarity of your mind. And that's pretty much what semen retention does. I know this because I've done it multiple times in my life. I've been doing it on and off for the last 5 years of my life. And it gave me such clarity thinking. It gave me so much more energy. I feel like it gave me my energy back, like my youthful energy back in a time when I really needed it, because now I'm 31 and, you know, before I was running like a business, I was running multiple businesses, and then I was a group fitness trainer, and then I was also a personal trainer. So my day was just effed. My day was just screwed. I just was so busy. I woke up at 7 a.m. and I didn't stop working until 10 p.m. every day. Forget it Saturday, forget it Sunday. I'm working. Holiday, don't know what that is. I was just working all the time. And so I needed something to maintain my energy and to keep it up. And then I discovered semen retention, and it completely changed anything. For anyone who doesn't really know what semen retention is, it's a method of just not releasing your seminal fluid for a certain amount of time, not forever, just a certain amount of time. And then you will discover an energy within you that is very, very powerful. And a lot of guys might say, oh no, that sounds like BS. Like that sounds like nonsense. When I do it, I just get mega distracted and I get very stressed, which is true, but it's because you haven't learned how to focus your energy. If the first thing you do is like, oh my God, I don't know what to do with this surge of energy. Oh, right, let me just release it. Then, you know, you're not really learning how to use it. You're not really learning what to do with it. So if any guy who's just like, no, semen retention is BS, like, no, like, I'm not going to try it. It's like, try it and learn how to meditate, learn how to do breath work, learn how to concentrate that energy flow within your body, and then learn how to deploy it in other areas of your life, whatever that may be, building a business, starting a family, blah, 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 whatever, training your body, anything. That energy is precious. That energy is literally your life force. And if you waste it, then you know what happens next. Like you're just going to be a wasteful person with that energy. Try to use it. Try to gain it back and try to deploy it. That's all I'm having to say for this video, you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to learn more, go to my school channel, which is in the link below. I'll be making more videos like this. You guys, peace and take care.